Okay, hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Take two of this video. It is May the 7th, I think, 8th, 9th. Yeah, May the 9th. We're down here in Elche Park with the beautiful Mercado de Medieval. So we've done the first half, the sort of gift type area. Now we're going to take a stroll through the food area. I wonder if we can get any free samples. You never know. There's a big man, Mike. So there's a post at Mercado de Medieval. We're gonna try cut down the bike lane down into the food area. It has caused quite a bit of chaos because normally buses would come down this bit, but instead they're having to come down that bit by the refuel bar, which is a lot tighter for them. So yeah, hats off to any bus drivers who are actually working during the Mercado de Medieval. You've got to have some pretty good skills. So I think I'm gonna try and move on a bit now because there is a bus actually coming down. I think what I want to do is maybe see if we can get down this bit, see how he does. Yeah, I think he's got enough room there. Pretty easy for him, really. I do, however, remember last year, no, not last year, year before last, the Mercado de Medieval, one of the buses actually ended up crashing into the temperature reader, trying to reverse back round. Huge food store there and a bar area. Some of the food that will be on offer during the Mercado de Medieval. Whoa. Looks absolutely delicious, guys. Shame we've already had breakfast. Huh? Yeah, that old-fashioned school tables sort of thing going on there. Got this. Oh, I've gone round there. There we are. The wall art type thing.
Yeah, wall art.
Yeah, wall art. Quite weird. Wall art. Hot boats, seagulls. Pretty cool. Yeah, as Mike's just said, they haven't really set up yet, but you do have the sort of traditional medieval bunting as well, like you'll maybe see hanging up at a jousting competition all the way down. I do have brass bands on of the night as well as belly dancers, stuff like that coming through the market. So yeah, it is going to be pretty interesting. I think you're filming tonight, are you?
Yeah, probably coming.
Yeah, Michael did the night one.
No, tomorrow night.
Tonight or tomorrow night. They look cool. There's a lot of different stuff to offer here down on the Mercado de Medieval. So yeah, it is going to be pretty fun. Oh yeah, if you are in Benidorm and looking for something to do, not just come down to Elche Park, have a look round, experience the Mercado de Medieval. And well, we've got the weather for it as well, so That's a good thing, ain't it? All the fresh cheese there. Some of the stalls there, like, just look at how they're made out there, like, they take care in the details and the costumes as well for the dancers. I'm not really sure how to describe it because, as I said, you get the brass band coming down, but then you've also got like the sort of belly dancers as well, so it's like Mercado de Medieval, but done in like the medieval times of Spain, so it's also got like the Moors and Christians. Yeah, the band actually walks right through the market, same with the belly dancers as well. So yeah, it is going to be fun. Happens pretty much all weekend, I think. Starts tonight, all through to Sunday, maybe Monday. Street stall as well. Hola, senor. They look nice. I think I'll send Sue down later with some money to get me a pick and mix.
You're down here yourself?
Just tons of different stalls down there, guys. Just amazing. And of course you do have the yellow submarine there as well. Olive olives, all that, jams, stuff like that. Yeah, yeah, chorizo as well.
15 quid for that one.
Yeah, but I think that's like sort of proper stuff, like freshly made chorizo, maybe. Like farm type stuff. There's all your olives, guys. Pork scratchings as well, I think. Stan?
No.
Who's
There's
Stan?
Olive and Stan. On the buses.
Shut up. Mike trying to do some jokes there, guys. Your traditional Spanish sweets. So, yeah. Going to cut off down this bit now. Got like all your wooden toy swords for the kids. And if I missed anything,
This side up here.
I've done up the sides.
You done up both sides?
Yeah. So yeah, I'm surprised the wooden fair rides ain't here this year. Like, they're normally,
Maybe they'll be coming in here later, maybe.
yeah, maybe they will come here later by wooden fairground rides. They're like a wooden carousel, God's sake.
One of them boat swing things.
Yeah, one of the swing things and oh, what's a big wheel called?
Little.
Well,
Big
what's the wheel called, Dave, that like, goes round with like the compartments?
The big wheel.
You're very helpful. Like the London Eye, but wood.
That's big.
I don't know what it's called anyway.
Wheel.
Big wheel, I'll just say that. Anyway,
London Eye, can it?
so yeah guys, that's the second area of the Mercado de Medieval. it's probably one of my favourite markets, to be honest. You do have tons of different stores, and it is very popular with both the locals and tourists here in Benidorm. So that is just one event happening this weekend here in Benidorm. Now stay tuned as I show you event numero dos. Hit the like button, guys, and hit the subscribe if you haven't already done so. And I'm going to remember the catchphrase now. It's another day in the office. It's another day in paradise. Thanks for watching, guys. Adios.